Hello guys, welcome to Autozcrave. Today we are going to tell you about the range of car polishers that we do have for auto detailing business. Starting from rotary polishers, we also have cordless rotary polishers and wired rotary polisher that is rated up to the wattage of 2400 watt. We also have dual action polishers in the three different range, that is 3 inches, 5 inches and 6 inches, and different orbit size. Now let us understand about the range of dual action polishers that we do have. In dual action polisher, it comes 5 inches, 6 inches and 3 inches that we do have. The 3 inches dual action polishers comes with 12 mm, where I am going to show you, I am going to unbox it for you. So here we have got the 3 inches dual action polisher, which comes with 12 mm orbit. It's majorly used for like bike detailing purpose or minor areas detailing purpose. So here is the switch. Here you have got the speed control. So I'm just going to plug it for you so that you can see the functioning of this dual action polisher. So now I'm going to just switch it on so that you can see the functioning of this dual action polisher. It's a very smooth dual action polisher. The wattage of this dual action polisher is of 600 watt and that is maxed up to 800 watt. Here is the speed control. So what all do we get with the box? I'm just going to show you. We get a guide, we get a pair of carbons and a key set so that you can, if you want to open a packing plate, you want to change the consumables, then you can use this key set with the packing plate. I'm just going to show it to you. This is the guide that you get. This you get a carbon pair along with it and a key set. This was all about 3 inches dual action polisher. Moreover, about this dual action polisher, if I talk about some specifications that people like to listen about, that is CNC precision counterweight. It's a very ergonomic design which is very handy while working over the car, and it has got a red grip which gives you very good grip while working on a car. So now let me explain you about the next dual action polisher, which we have got as 5 inches 15 mm dual action polisher with the power wattage of 1100 watts. So this is, I'm going to unbox it for you. Before going to unbox, I have to just open the seal. So this is a 5 inch 15 mm dual action polisher. It starts with 15 mm dual action polisher, which comes with the backing of 5 inches. I'm just going to plug it for you so that I can see it, tell you how it works. So here is the polisher, it is 1100 watts. I'm just going to switch it on. The best thing about this 15 mm dual action polisher is its OPM goes to 5000 plus. So here is the speed control as well. I can show you how much speed does it can go for. This is the switch side. So this was all about 15 mm dual action polisher. The next polisher I'm going to unbox is 21 mm dual action polishers with 6 inches backing. And the inbox accessories for 15 mm and 20 mm dual action polisher that comes is, you get a pair of carbons, an Allen key and also a side handle with the dual action polisher. So here it's a polisher of 20 mm with 6 inches backing. I'm going to plug this for you as well. You can see the orbit difference. I can show you the orbit difference while attaching the pads with it. So before telling you about the orbit size, I would like to tell you the 15 mm dual action polisher and 20 mm dual action polisher both comes with 1100 watt, and that is max rated up to 1650 watt. So but the only difference between these two is that you get a packing plate size difference, orbit size difference and the speed difference. 15 mm dual action polishers OPM goes to 5000 and 20 mm OPM goes to 4500. So I'm going to attach the pad with both of them so that you can see the difference while functioning with the dual action polisher. This is 6 inches. You can see it's quite smooth working with pad, very smooth. You won't see any vibration in it. I'm going to attach with 15 mm as well, and both I will plug it for you. And I've got the pad for 5 inches as well. I'm just going to attach this. I'll plug both for you. You can see the difference working in both orbits. When they'll become slow, you'll got to know the difference. So these are the dual action polisher ranges. They both come with side handles, so I'm going to put their side handles as well. So this was the complete range of dual action polishers, wired dual action polishers that help you out in detailing processes. So now after the range of dual action polishers, now I'm going to unbox a rotary machine for you. This is special rotary designed for auto detailing purpose. You get 2 side handles with this rotary machine. The backing plate of this rotary machine is of 6 inches. So this is the rotary machine. This the wattage of this rotary machine is starting from 1650 watt to 2400 watt. It is a high power rotary. I'm going to plug it for you so that you can listen the sound about this rotary machine as well. Here's the speed control. You can see how smooth this rotary machine is. So after the range of rotary polishers and dual action polishers, the wired one, now I'm going to unbox the cordless polisher. This is the latest polisher of Autozcrave. We are just now going to unbox it. This is majorly used for micro detailing purpose. I'm just going to unbox it. We are going to make a next video, complete video about this dual action polisher and a rotary polisher of this cordless machine.